I love historic Cairo and Muez during Ramadan. It's a lot less crowded during the day and the streets are quiet. But this year, I took a tour of a part of historic Cairo that most tourists don't really get to see. It's called Darb al-Ahmar, and it's just alongside the famous Tentmakers Market. Our tour started with a meetup at al-Azhar Park, and then we continued in golf carts into the Darb al-Ahmar neighborhood. We got a tour of the historic city walls, and I've actually only ever seen this part of the wall from a distance, so it was really fascinating to learn about the layers of history here. The mosques in Darb al-Ahmar aren't as famous as the masterpieces along Muez Street, but they're just as beautiful and fascinating. And a lot of them have been recently restored and opened up to the public again. And many of these mosques date back to medieval Cairo and the rule of the Mamluks, when Darb al-Ahmar was a prestigious neighborhood and the Sultan's family and the high-ranking officials all built splendid palaces and monuments here. Today, Darb al-Ahmar is a working-class neighborhood full of grocers, mechanics, and shops in everyday Egyptian life. But if you haven't been to Darb al-Ahmar, then you really should consider it when you're in Cairo. It's a lot less touristy and the neighborhood is filled with architectural gems.